All right, charging the KiA back up to probably 80%. Currently at 53 miles of range, 23% state of charge. Last time I drove for 162.9 miles, getting 3.4 miles per kilowatt hour. If I were to charge to 90%, you're looking at 239 miles of range. It will take 26 minutes to get to 90% 800 volt DC fast charger. On a 400 volt system, you're looking at 1 hour and 11 minutes. If you charge on a level 2 charger, you're looking at 4 hours and 35 minutes to get to 90. On a regular household socket, you're looking at 44 hours and 50 minutes to get to 90%. And again, the guessometer is saying 239 miles. I will be charging to 80%. So if you charge to 80%, you're looking at 16 minutes on a DC fast charger, 1 hour exactly on a 400 volt system. On a level 2 charger, 3 hours or 4 hours to get to 80%. And a regular household socket, 38 hours. And the guessometer saying 210 miles of range to get to 80% at 80%.
Charge the KiA to 80%. Charge on Emporia level 2 charger. It's a 50 amp breaker, but it draws in 40 amps. So far this month of April, I've charged 258 kilowatts over 5 charging sessions, 18 cents per kilowatt hour. You're looking at $46.30 to charge at home. So this last time I charged, it took 7 hours and 56 minutes to add 44.72 kilowatt hours, costing $8.03. That seems a little long, considering I charged from a lower state of charge to a higher state of charge on April 10th. It took 5 hours and 53 minutes. So I have to go back in and see why it's taking so long to charge. It shouldn't take as long. I just went from I think a 20% state of charge to 80%. I would have thought that would have taken less time. So it looks like somewhere around like midnight, and usually I get much higher kilowatts per hour. Usually I'm getting about 9, and so last night I only got 7.9. At 9 p.m. 7.68. Something has changed. Now I did recently take my KiA in for service, and there was some kind of an update that came through. But I'll have to see. But looking at at midnight, it went down to 1.79 kilowatts. So that's the reason why it took so long to charge my car. Because usually I'm drawing in about 9 kilowatts, 9.3, 9.5. So when I first started at 7, only drew in about 6. Then it ramped up to almost 8, and then stayed there for a little bit. And then right at midnight, it dropped down to 1.7, 1.8 kilowatts per hour. And that's the reason why it took forever to charge my car to 80%.
All right, charge the KiA to 80%, currently at 79% state of charge, getting 209 miles of range. That is about average what I get at 80%. So far I've driven 25,006 miles, getting an average of 3 miles per kilowatt hour. Last time I drove for 162.9, getting 3.4 miles per kilowatt hour. And yep, there we go.